The TR600 PAPR from 3M can be used to protect the wearer from harmful aerosolized chemicals that can be released in the event of a chemotherapy spill. In these circumstances, the organic vapor acid gas HEPA filter, which is being referred to at St. Mary's as the Chemofilter, must be installed into the machine. There are certain chemotherapy medications that have the potential to vaporize at room temperature. If there is a spill of any of these medications, including the exposure of bodily fluids to room air of a patient receiving these medications, the larger chemotherapy filter must be attached to the TR600 and worn by those cleaning the spill. The TR600 will likely have the standard filter in place. In the event of a spill, you will need to install the larger Chemofilter. You will need the filter, which will be stored on the unit in a vacuum-sealed package, and you will also need the larger filter casing in order to house the filter. This should also be stored on the unit. Pressing the two blue knobs on the side of the unit will release the filter for removal. Remove the Chemofilter from its package. If the large casing does not have anything inside of it, you'll need to insert a Prefilter. You can find a Prefilter inside of the old filter casing. Remove the filter from the casing. The black material you see is the Prefilter. Remove that filter and place it inside of the chemo casing. The Prefilter functions to filter out and stop larger particles, such as dust or debris, from reaching the main filter, where it could cause decreased efficacy of the unit. Next, you'll need to attach your filter to the casing. The yellow and purple sticker should fit into the window of the casing. Push the filter in until you feel it click. The finished filter will look like this. Instructions to attach the filter to the unit are visible on the machine. On the left side of the filter, there are clamps that will allow it to attach and hinge onto the unit. Press it down firmly on the right side until it clicks into place. Your PAPR is now safe for use to clean chemotherapy spills.